Coming up, I will let you know how to create a lead generation management process. Let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Matthew Royce. I am a knowledge enthusiast. I love working with digital marketers like you and to share my knowledge of digital marketing. The payoff of an established and formal lead generation process results in higher revenue for your company with more sales velocity. In fact, business-to-business companies who have a mature lead generation process generate 133% more revenue than companies who do not. An established lead generation process takes commitment, investment, and dedication from marketing leaders, sales leaders, and the C-suite. So where do you start? There are 3 tips to help you with the lead generation management process. Number 1, concentrate on thought leadership. Trust plays a critical part of today's marketing, shaping your company's brand perception and a buyer's confidence in working with your company. One of the major drivers of this trust is authentic thought leadership, which is where your company expertise is sought and rewarded. Marketers have the power to build meaningful relationships with customers and prospects with the help of thought leadership. However, the true value of thought leadership is often overlooked and rarely measured. Research from Edelman and LinkedIn found that most marketers significantly undervalue the power of thought leadership, impacting their demand and lead generation efforts. Number 2, evaluate and adjust team resources to generate leads. One of the biggest hurdles that most marketing teams face when trying to execute successful lead generation is a lack of resources on the marketing team. In fact, 61% of marketers say a lack of staff, funding, and time is their greatest barrier to lead generation. With limited resources, it's important to concentrate on what's working to generate leads. Number 3, establish a benchmark of where you are today. It's essential to take a snapshot of where you stand today. What are your current data points, and what does your current lead generation process look like? Use this initial point in time to establish your baseline so you can measure and figure out the effectiveness and success of future marketing and sales initiatives. You'll need a way to determine what's driving your revenue numbers, so you should be asking yourself questions such as, how many leads are we generating each month? What marketing channels are producing the most leads and the highest quality of leads? How many marketing generated leads or MGLs become marketing qualified leads or MQLs? What is the number of MQLs that turned into sales qualified leads or SQLs? Do we need to tweak our lead scoring to ensure we have a consistent flow of marketing qualified leads? How many marketing qualified leads were kicked back from sales because they weren't the right company or right contact? Based on your sales qualified leads, how many turned into opportunities in your CRM? Of those opportunities in your customer relationship management system, how many did you win, lose, or turn into customers? Which marketing channels are yielding the best results? Which part of this lead generation management process needs to be improved? Which part is working well and needs to be emphasized more? Once you know the answers to these questions, you can evaluate your performance consistently and regularly. You'll be able to proactively address marketing channels, approaches, processes, and identify gaps and tweaks you need to make with your lead generation efforts. Okay, let's bring it all together. First, if you like what you saw here, please hit the subscribe button below. A formal and mature lead generation management process can help you show marketing's value at your company and help your organization grow. Thank you for watching. Until next time.